Countries all over the world love using fresh Washington produce, and to prove it, I'm in Vietnam with Chef Stephen Long making some unique dishes with apples, potatoes, and pears, all of which came from Washington State. So here we are, we got some incredible ingredients in front of us. Tell us what we're going to be working with today.
Today I will show you how to make the grating potato.
Well, let's get going. What do we need to do first?
First we do the stuffing.
We start with the stuffing using flour, butter, and eggs. Then we add an aromatic mixture of smoky bacon, thyme, garlic, and shallots. For the body, we thinly slice Washington potatoes and Granny Smith apples, which we layer like a rose over the stuffing. And then we top that with butter and a bit of Parmesan cheese, and then into the oven it goes. Our potato apple gratin is in the oven.
Okay.
And it'll be done here shortly, so we're gonna move on to the next recipe. And what do you got for us now?
This one we're going to make the dessert, the Asian dessert. Every time when I get sick, my mom always cook this one for me.
Really? Okay, so
Yes.
there's some home memories out of this.
Now we start to prepare the pear.
Okay. I'm bending my spoon. Mine's a little deep, isn't it?
Really nice, sir.
That's for a big serving. Maybe I'll start a revolution.
Yeah.
Maybe a new way to do this.
Yeah, that new style.
Right, new style. The Western style. We boil some water, add lotus seeds, ginger, some jujube fruit, and an ingredient I have never heard of before. So this is actually excreted from birds' nests.
Yes.
An actual bird has created this in a nest as they're making the nest. It's excreted from their saliva and mixed, and this is what it's formed to help get that nest bound and sticky.
Yeah, this one is really expensive here. You smell the liver?
Yeah, it's delicious. It smells so good. It seems that my pear fits so much more than yours.
That American style.
It's just American style. Finally, we add some chia seeds and let them steam for 45 minutes.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that. That is a dish. Now, we're gonna get our pears.
Yeah.
That is beautiful. I almost don't even want to break into this. That's beautiful, man.
Yeah.
Nice work. It's not even funny how good that is. Man, those sweet apples just provide that nice balance, that sweet and salty.
Yeah.
That apple just lightens it up.
Yeah.
Just gives it a nice bright feeling. So good, so good. All right, let's go dessert now. You can get some of that lotus seed and that apple.
Yeah.
You know what I really like about this? It's not overly sweet, because I think this really allows you to enjoy these apples and the lotus seeds.
Yeah.
Just a lot of fun flavors in there that I wouldn't expect. This was really cool.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for sharing some of these cool and unique recipes. Thank you, Chef. I really appreciate it, man. Thank you.